Welcome to the channel. Today we're making cashew milk. My name is Felicia Tappan, co-founder of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make some awesome raw kale chips with all good, fresh, clean ingredients. So back to how easy it is to make cashew milk. And cashew milk is actually my favorite milk. That's what I buy when I don't want to take the time to make it. So it's really easy to make. We have in here about 1 cup of cashews that have been soaking for 2 hours. We put some warm water on it because we were in a hurry. But you just throw some cold water on there and give it at least 4 hours. Soak them. It's going to make them be more creamy and blend up better. So we're just going to take the water off, throw the water away, or water a plant with it. That's a new idea. So now we have our strained cashews. And we're going to use this nice compact Ninja, which is a really great machine for the home. We just love it here. So I'm going to put my 1 cup of soaked cashews carefully without trying to spill any on the video, right? So there we go. And it's so easy. Now we're just going to put about, if you have 1 cup of cashews, you're going to use about 3 cups of water. And then once you make it a few times, you're going to find your personal preference. You like it a little thinner, you like it a little thicker. Are you making cream for your coffee? Then it would be 1 part nuts to 1 part water, more maple syrup, more vanilla. It depends on what you're making. So this is going to be, I like my milk's creamy, so I'm going to give it 2 of these. That's about 2 cups. It's also about all that it's going to handle. So, perfect. I like it a little sweet, just a little sweet. So I'm going to use this organic maple syrup that I brought back from upstate New York. Then a little vanilla, especially if you're going to use this as creamer, but just vanilla and pinch of salt. Pinch of salt's always good. Put that in here. That is quite full, but we're going to see how this works. Making sure it's on good and tight. Put it in the machine. Click lock. I'm just going to pulse it to keep an eye on it. Wow, that's good. That really did a good fast job. So I only put 2 cups of water after I told you to do 3. So it's a real simple fix. You pour it in a container and add a cup of water if you want to make your dollars go farther. There you go. But this looks like just how I like it. Creamy, tasty, delicious. Well, actually, it's a little, the nuts didn't go long enough. So you gotta make sure you get it in there to get all the nuts chopped up. Don't want to do it again. See how this comes out. So, see how the mess I'm making? Oh, that looks much better. I don't think there was enough airspace in the blender. Oh yeah, that's much better. Tasty. Where's the cereal? Bye, I'll come back next week and see what kind of mess I can make. I'm going to reblend this. Because you need to go longer to get it creamier. And I made a mess. Made a big mess. Once you get it on the blender, I'm going to give it about 20 seconds. Let's do smoothie auto. Oh, it's a smart blender. Very smart blender. Look at it, it's doing its own thing. milk's done. So I pushed the smoothie button, and for 60 seconds, it kind of just decided to come off and on, and it does its own little thing. So let's see how it came out after a 60-second smoothie push. There. Wow, that is really thick. Oh yeah, that 60-second button did the trick. That is extra thick. No, I mentioned if you don't like it so thick, add some water. It probably is too thick for just drinking milk. It even looks better with more water. Yeah, that's more like milk. Definitely go for the 4 cups of water to 1 cup of nuts, and you'll be happy. Wow. Yummy. Come back next week. I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're going to do something that we like to eat at home, and we're going to share with you how easy it is to eat raw, eat clean. Now you can chop that up, make whatever you want out of it. Oh, this needs to be reblended.